In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. So first, scroll down on the control center in the top right corner right here and click on Do Not Disturb or hold down Do Not Disturb. So once you've held down Do Not Disturb, click on the three dots right here and click on Settings. So it will take you to the Do Not Disturb focus, and if you scroll down, you will see on the bottom that you can add a schedule. So click on Add Schedule, and you can set a schedule for a time. You can set Do Not Disturb from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., or you can set a Do Not Disturb, for example, when you arrive at work, or when you arrive somewhere, or when you open a specific app. So in order for you to activate the schedule, just set the schedule, for example, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and on what day, and then just click on Done. And that's about it. That's how to schedule Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.